Hello, my beautiful soul. I love, I love. I hope, I try, I hurt. I need, I fear, I cry. And I know you do the same things too, my dear sweet. So we are really not that different, my dear sweet. Me and you. If I had to choose between breathing and loving you, my dear, I would use I would use my last breath to say I love you. It's not wrong to let someone wait. It's a taste for you to know if he's really true to someone so precious as you. You deserve not less, but the best. It's not wrong to let someone wait. It's a taste for you to know if he is really true to someone so precious as you, my beautiful, lovely darling. You deserve not less but the best. If you feel shy, take you in my arms. Right. Say slowly, slowly, from your lips, my dear, my darling, my sweet. From your lips, say it slowly. Three words of life. Three words of life, or it takes ages. So I'm saying to love you, my dear. I'm saying before you say goodbye, my dear. I love you so sweet way. Like the stars were made to twinkle, like the sun was made to shine, like the flowers were made to bloom, like life made to be lived, I made to love you.